A slight surprise was sprung on me today. It's my birthday tomorrow. But at coffee break, the team sprang a bit of a do on me with lovely cake, and the place was decorated a bit. And now the decorations have been moved down here, and there they are. There's 2 of them, and there is a balloon. Here is the balloon. And on the door we have this. This has been pointed out to me, very subtle. There you go, have a good look. So I will remember it.